Hello everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have Eli's 2017 Tacoma that I installed the Stinger Heigh10 radio in, which is this beautiful thing right here. It is a dash kit restyling, so it's basically an all-in-one package. This is my favorite radio to install in any of the vehicles that have the Restyle kit. I've done it in the Jeep Wrangler and now the Toyota Tacoma. This is a wonderful radio, even as a standalone unit. I absolutely love and adore it. It is a top competitor in my mind with the Sony 9500, but basically this was chosen again because of the Restyle kit. It has full integration with the controls on the steering wheel, super easy. This one does not have integration with the CAN bus module like with a Chrysler vehicle like the Jeeps, but it still does have USB functionality, which is that little factory USB port right back there. So we have the ability to, sorry about the glare, to play movies, which will be, we can just go right through there, and those are the movies on the flash drive. It does have backup camera integration as well, so you can see that super high quality image from that factory backup camera, which is my way of joking because it is a very low resolution backup camera on this vehicle. On this particular installation, I installed the aftermarket microphone right up there. That is not required. You can utilize the factory microphone that is user selectable through one of the settings on the radio. Also selectable is whether or not you use the radio's GPS antenna or the factory's GPS antenna. That's really just a personal preference. I can't imagine either of those having a better reception than the other. However, I will say that generally speaking, the aftermarket microphones are better quality than the OEMs. But, you know, time will tell. That is instructions to the client to try out both options, switch between the two on the radio, and figure out what works best for the receiver of that phone call. On this setup, this is a wired CarPlay radio, so the client wanted to have wireless CarPlay because he's got that charging pad down there, so he wants to be able to throw his phone down there and then not worry about it. So in order to get wireless CarPlay on this radio, which if I click on Apple CarPlay, you'll see it actually brings up this screen right here. This is a different product, customer provided, the CarPlay AI box, and so this plugs in behind the radio and converts a wired CarPlay connection to a wireless CarPlay connection. So I don't know anything about this particular product. This is, again, like I said, client provided, but apparently it makes it pretty cool where you can do things that Apple would certainly not allow you to do, such as YouTube and Netflix and Waze and Spotify, but also the obvious stuff of being able to use maps and your phone and text messaging through the radio without actually having to interact with your phone. So that is a wonderful safety thing. And there's really not much else that I have to say about this. It's just a radio install, but because I very rarely actually get to do radio installs, I wanted to make a quick little video and showcase it. So pricing and product information for this particular install will be in the video description. If you are interested in something basic like this and you are local, then by all means you can reach out to me, but chances are you're going to get in line behind a lot of other people. So that's all. I shall talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya.